Okay, so just a tech tip. So now to put it back together, so you have the plain edge, and then obviously you have the lock washer end closer to the end where the relief is, so opposite of the threaded side. And what you're going to do is you're going to push it on. Now the trick is you want the split in the lock washer to be as far away from the your entry point when you're trying to push it on and engage. So I'll show you. So what I mean by this is something like this, and I'll push it on further. Push it on further just like that, and I kid you not, I put that on in like 2 seconds. And obviously you line it up accordingly and you slide this in. You could lubricate it if you want or whatever. Another tech tip is for this lock washer, if yours tends to be really loose and you have to like tighten the snot out of this, what you could do is actually get the lock washer and bend it out so the ears spread a little bit further, and it's going to make it more of a pain in the neck to install. Because obviously it's going to be more tension in the joint, but you'll be rewarded with less play in the joint, and so you don't have to run this down as hard and stress out the basically just another way to tighten up a joint. So hopefully this video helps you. You guys take care, and if you're wondering what size this is actually a T25. It's a T25, so for your 3/8 inch drive. And I'll give you the sizes for the 1/4 inch and the 1/2 inch down below. You guys take care and rock and roll.